YouTube, this is 12 Valve John, back at you here in sunny sky, Florida, looking great today. Today we're going to do an episode of a cold start on my 94 Dodge Cummins. We have the orange candy apple paint, the 20-inch Rock Stars, 46-inch mud diggers. We got the cool and now we're cool. Now we're not. We got the mirror tent. Look at her purr. We got the old flat bedder. One of a kind. Yep, I need to install my stripper pole. But today, guys, we're going to do a video on the cold start of the 12 valve. Let me get around here. Oh, yeah, don't mind the bicycle. Fucking kids. Alright. And there she goes, guys. She's a beaut. Got the old stripper pole antenna to call the lot lizards. Signing off.